everything changes.
This is the box of acrylic offcuts that I ordered off eBay. Turned up today, so let's have a look. Let's try it out there. That's it. Spring open, no doubt. Let's have a look what we've got then. So we've got some grey. So I ordered mixed coloured, so grey. Some nice purpley, violety purple. A piece of green. A nice big piece of luminous. Lovely jewellery. Look at that. That's nice. I like that. And then some red. It's like an orangey colour. I'm not sure. It's like a dark red. You just see it on the angle. It's like a reddy colour. And they've all got the sheet, protective sheet covering on. So that's another purpley coloured. Little bits as well just there. I think this is clear. That might be clear down there as well. Have a look. Nice dark piece there, look. And it just goes on and on. So there's probably 20, 30 or so pieces in here. Just be a bit careful with them. So they're not for anything major, they're just for practice. And that was about £17 delivered. Let's see what the thickness of these is. About 3 to 5 mil. Let's have a look, get the old vernier out. Vernier. We're getting about 3 mil. Yeah, 3 mil. Actually about 3 mil thick. And from what I've gone through so far, it seems about the average is 3 mil. Can't feel there's anything thicker. All about 3 mil thick, which is a good size to practice in with. So I've got some material to be engraving and milling and practicing on there. Quite a bit of it as well. And I'm particularly interested in making some of these uplit perspex signs, and that there looks like candidate number 1. It looks like a good colour to be playing around with. But for £17 delivered, you can't go wrong. I don't think, anyway. That's good. I like that. Definitely money well spent there, I think. It's going to keep me busy for quite a while before I get through that little lot. Yeah. I've linked to the item in eBay in the description as well, and there's also a link to it on the article for this on my site. I posted an article about finding this seller selling these offcuts. Now I did say in the article as well that I don't think they'd be very good for production pieces, but actually, you know what? Apart from the edge pieces, which are probably a bit rough, they've all still got the coatings on. They are a little bit scratchy, but I bet you could get a few good bits out of them. And certainly make some use of them. Mosaic or something like that, you know. So I suppose it depends on what your end result is, and what your end result will be. But certainly get a lot for your money, I think. Now, I was a bit concerned about the amount that you'd get. They sell by weight, and this is a 4 kilo box. Doing that means nothing to you, but 4 kilos, it's hard to picture what you get for 4 kilos. You could get a 4 kilo slab or 2 kilo slabs. You know, you don't get an idea of what sort of variety you're going to get and how much you're going to get for your money. But that right there, you can see, I mean, that's a good wedge of pieces. There's a good amount underneath and all the way down through there as well. Various colours and sizes, so they all seem to be about the same thickness, so that's good. I think there's some white in there as well, some white sheets. I've just noticed. I thought it was one thick piece, but it's not. So that's what you get: a 4 kilo box for £17 delivered to your door. And I ordered this, and it came 1 to 2 days, I think, from ordering. So it's here pretty quick. So if you're looking for some acrylic offcuts and some bits to mess about with, links in the description. Thanks for watching.